Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining today's live webinar. I'm Dr. Shah Siddiqui from Time Research and Innovation, 𝐄𝐯 Marketing Agency, and Deadbot AI. So today, I wanted to have a special session discuss about AI-powered customer service bot to uh, reduce cost and enhance customer service. When we talk about business specifically nowadays in the era of AI, it is something like where we think sometimes very deep. We think sometimes, uh, okay, is it appropriate for your intended purpose? And again, we also think about how we can use this for our business, for our social media, for our day-to-day activities, and many other reasons. That okay, what is the benefits of using AI? You probably know that there are tons of benefits when you use AI, but these benefits are limited to those people they utilize AI for their intended purpose very well thought, and gradually uh, finalize their output through uh, custom made build or something that is tailored to their business needs. So today we're going to be talking about customer service bot. As you know, if you don't know about my education and my experience and expertise, I just wanted to repeat that. I'm Dr. Shah Siddiqui, and I'm the CEO of Time Research and Innovation. And Time Research and Innovation, we have a few uh, sister consultants, and that is 𝐄𝐯 Marketing Agency for marketing. We have Bytestore for software development, and we have Deadbot AI for AI innovation, and we have Sales Funnel Accelerator for lead generation sales. So we can provide end-to-end services. And last, we started in 2017, and gradually we developed our subdomains and now serving people in the UK, US, and other parts of the world. Specifically, I have a PhD on AI, and I support individuals and businesses to tailor end-to-end process, like what technological advancement do they need currently, and how they can tailor their growth, embedding new technology as well as AI, and create significant impact to their business. So I'm going to be talking about AI, how you can use it, and in what aspects you can use it, and how is it necessary for you to embed AI. All those kind of questions. Although I have some question now. So if you wanted to ask me a question, because I'm just checking my other monitor to see if there is any questions, because sometimes with the Restream platform, we the connectivity problems, we do not see any questions. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me through the comment box on LinkedIn, and as well as any other social media. I just can see one of the message from Salahuddin Biplab. I'm very excited to attend this event. Thank you very much, Salahuddin, for your message. And I will ask everyone to join if you wanted to ask me any specific question or share these events with people you wanted to know more about AI and how they can implement AI to their business. So, few things you need to understand before you jump into an exclusive conclusion, like why AI is needed. That's the first question. What business you do, and the suitability, adaptability of AI in terms of your business. And then you should think about cost, and all other things will come later. So suppose that you have a business, and if I give an example of marketing, so I will share my screen to show you, to give the example. Just give me a second. I'm just typing my business name, website, opening the website. Give me a couple of seconds. I could not do that much preparation because I had to go to London to attend a training, fast aid training, for business purpose. So I was very occupied with my training. So I came back yesterday night, and then I had to do lots of talk with my business and clients and partners. So I could not prepare it that much. So sorry for that. But I'm gonna share my screen now. Just give me a second. It's already been loaded. So I'm gonna be, as I'm not playing any video, I'm just gonna be sharing one of my window. Here we go. So you're going to see my window in a few seconds time. It's coming up. It's loaded. Here we go. So first thing, you have a business and you wanted to embed AI to your workflow. What should you do? This is our sales funnel accelerator, our lead generation and sales channel. I will come back to that later, how you can utilize AI for your lead generation and sales. And I will share our website on marketing, 𝐄𝐯 marketing agency. When I go live, my internet goes slow. It takes time to load, but we will get it. So you will see that we do marketing, end-to-end marketing, digital marketing for varieties of genres and companies, provide end-to-end services for selling and other aspects. Suppose this is our business, marketing agency or sales funnel accelerator. And on this page, you probably know that nowadays when you have a business, you have hundreds of pages, okay, with valuable information. You know, when I talk to people, I give an example of Harrods. When you go to Harrods, you will see they have different floors on Harrods. Those you don't know, if you're watching this webinar outside of the UK and you don't have Harrods, you probably know Harrods. But if you don't know, it's a top class rated shop, store, and on there you will find top rated companies, branding, and all other things to buy. So when you go to Knightsbridge, people will definitely window shop. So window shop means you go around the store and you don't buy, but you see what is out there. So I also sometimes go. I went there several times myself. As usual, I worked there in my past when I was working as a catering catering company. I was working on a catering company, and I was working on the kitchen. I was working as delivering food and a lot of other things I did. So usually my workplace was in Harrods, and there is a restaurant on the second or third floor. I can't recall that, but it's definitely on the second or third floor. And they have different type of things, different floors, different companies, top rated companies, big brands. It's inside. And outside, they will have different pockets gradually. And those different pockets, they have like those things that people usually stand over there to see what is it about. So the way they picture it, or the way they demonstrate it. So people see this, what you are doing, a condense things, and then grab them to the shop floor. Why I'm giving this why I'm telling you this story? Because when you have a shop, so this website is a shop front, is a shop, not shop front, and my homepage is a shop front, and I have hundreds of other multiple pages, because we do customized software developments, and you can add hundreds of pages when you are working with different sections, subsections, and all other things. So when you have that, usually uh, people, they don't know you. If they don't feel interested, they will not browse. Okay, what they will do, they will maybe check the front page, they maybe check the about us page, and then if they will browse more. If not, then they will go away. Okay, so what they will do, they will see something, if they can get specifically a tailored information through something embedded to your website, and that is a customer service agent. And that customer service agent, you probably see many of the websites that there is a messaging sections, and you can talk to someone. There is also a WhatsApp section. They can also you can also talk to someone, uh, and other things. So how we have solved this problem? Not even we solve this problem. Many other companies, they also solve this problem. Those companies, they are developing custom AI agent. What we did, we just scrap all of your knowledge from your website, and we have embedded this knowledge for your customer. So whenever someone is coming to our homepage, or they are going to any of the portfolio page, or any other pages, what it will do, if I it's just loading. My internet is very slow today, so I'm getting questions from the audience. I will answer those questions gradually. But before I jump into the question, it's just taking a little bit long time for to load this. I'm just going to go to my Sales Funnel Accelerator, the sales lead generation and sales platform. So they will ask, what services do you offer? Okay, or how can I contact you? What are the cost of your service packages? Or how can I schedule a meeting with you? Those kind of things. So if I say, okay, what services do you offer? And then the AI engine will think specifically. It will take a little bit of thinking time. Is working, and then it will start writing based on the internet and all other things. As I'm running this from my laptop, my connectivity and all other things is a little bit slow, so it taking normal than as usual. So it will be based on your connectivity with our server. So you see that it has given a specific answer and the source of this answer. So all the information all the information on your website is embedded with these chatbots, and we can give custom information to the audience, and then lead them to the link. So suppose someone wants to talk to you, so they wanted to book a call with you. So they will just ask, how can I book a call with you? So we have I'm not sure that I think schedule a meeting with you. Okay, so I'm just running that, and it will let me know if there is a booking calendar here, or how people can schedule meeting. Okay, so you see, it has given me the information, and it also given me the details to click, and it will open. Okay, I have an error here, so this is to my developer that I am having an error here. So they will fix that as we continually develop our site. So we have problems here. But as I said, the information, when you have an information to share with your clients, and an AI customer service agent can tailor that information to the next levels. That's the future. As I said, that's the future. Why future? Because people usually they don't have time. People usually don't have time. So when they are looking for customized information, they wanted to get those information in few seconds time, that they can make up their mind, are you the right fit of their solving their problems? If you are not the right fit to solve their problems, then it's okay. They will go to the other places and they will find the similar companies they can trust, and they will start business with them. So when you think about AI customer service agent, you need to know your capacity, how many people they usually interact with your websites. I'm not sure that if you know the tariff traffic of your website, like how many people they browse your website, how many people and in which pages, how much time they spend, and if you have it, if you have something on your website embedded, how many messages do you get? So all those things you can streamline and tailor to your customer specific needs. And there, adding different value to your website will give you more to think about your customer, and tailored your methodology, tailored your services, or tailored your product based on the demands. So that's why when you're thinking of a AI agent on your website, it can communicate with your customer. We are also trialing our avatar-based chatbots. So what it will do, it will talk to you as a person. It could be you, or it could be someone. It could be someone different, like an actress or actors, and they will talk to the customer, asking them questions, answering their questions as well. So these are the things now happening. This technology exists, you know that. Different companies are working differently. We also have started working to develop chatbots and all other generative AI thing. And if you're thinking like, okay, you wanted to embed AI to your business, then it is the right time. It is the right time because businesses, they are transforming very, very fast. And the AI is transforming the technology faster than last 2 decades. So it will go faster, more faster in next 2 decades. So if you do not start now, it will be very hard for you to reach the expected place that you want to be. So those businesses, they are new. Those businesses, they are embedding AI to their culture. They will reach that touch point, and you will be left behind until you sort it out. And when it is very big, when it is different, and you wanted to sort it out, you need to spend enough time, money, efforts, a lot of different things to get to that point. So now AI is booming. So you need to think now, implement now, and gradually you build your system based on the market, based on the technology, based on geography, based on culture, based on politics. So all those things will come up. So I will go back and jump into answering some of the question. Just give me 1 second. So Salahuddin, you asked, just give me a second. How do companies balance automation with human support to avoid alienating customer? Automation, human support, we are talking about this a lot. Like, okay, if you implement AI, you're going to be eliminating some of the jobs. I partially agree and partially disagree about this. When a system is built, when a specifically technology is built, it will definitely eliminate some of the pre-existing work, pre-existing thing, but it will create new prosperous thing, new thing. So if I give an example, like if you think about the automobile industry, we can think before people used to use coal, fossil, like coal, and then water, or maybe after coal, water, or before water, then is coal, and gradually they are using now fossil power, petrol, diesel, and all other things, as well as now there are conversion to petrol, diesel, and electric, and as well as there are electric vehicles. In this era, we are talking sustainability, and we are thinking to leave fossil fuel in any of the work that we do. We are reducing plastics uses, we are reducing fuel uses that came from all those byproduct, and then we're thinking about technology, electricity, and all other things, neutral technology. So when something is created, the previous thing, previous jobs, previous categories, they will gradually eliminate. That's the way forward. So if you think that AI will cut lots of jobs, yes, indeed, it will cut some of them, but it will also create the future. People are now training themselves to become an AI developer, researcher, data scientist, and a lot of other things. So new jobs are creating. But some of the things you cannot replace when you are doing designing. If you want to design with AI, yes, AI does good designing, but when you wanted to have a human to design with things, that will have a human touch. So with us, not most of the time, majority of time, we utilize human to design specifically, like, okay, a website, graphics, video editing, coding, specifically human to code, hand customization as we do. But some people, they also use AI to build website, use to AI to build graphics, and excuse me, a lot of other things. So Salahuddin, you probably I probably have answered your question. Like, when you are using AI, what we do, we get to the next levels. Like, okay, if we are doing something and we want a composition, so we can ask AI, can you create this for us? And we see the thinking, okay, the combination could be this, could be that. I can give you a overview of new work that we are doing. Just give me a second. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to go to our Tedbot AI website. We are still updating the website in different forms, and we already have launched the website. But as you know, as we develop and design continuously, we keep changing things based on the feedback and overview. As my internet is very slow, so it was loaded, but now you can see it's struggling. I will come back to that when it is loaded, what I meant. I become a little bit frustrated when technology doesn't work properly, and my internet goes slow. So now my internet is very slow, so I have to contact the internet provider to fix them. So now the page is loaded. So if I turn it on, you probably see AI. Okay, this image you can see is not customization. This image is created by AI. What we are working now to customize this image to the next levels. Okay, so it will have human touch and some of the AI element to make it different, to make it more engaged, to make it more gradual to the people. Okay, but this AI, the logo and all of the things, purely hand coded customization. If I go to the next one, you probably see this image, the composition of AI and human touch as well. Problem, chatbot AI, AI integration and solution. Some of it is created by AI, and we have also customized it to tell our story. So here, I'm not sure that you can spot which one is for with AI and which one is not. Okay, you can spot things. You could be 100% right, or you could be 100% wrong. That's not the question here. The question here that we have utilized AI and as well as human touch to make this image extraordinary, to make this image to tell the story that we want to tell. That when people they are browsing this website, they will know, okay, I have a problem. What problem I have? Probably data problem. And then chatbot AI integration. So you're going to be integrate chatbot to your workflow, and then we'll have a happy solution. Like, okay, it will increase your traction. It will increase people retention. It will increase a lot of different things here. So that is our story to tell. And then if I go down, you will see what we do at Chatbot AI. We developed AI model specifically for your intended purpose. As I said, you can use AI, generative AI models or LLM models to develop something for you. There are hundreds of websites out there, but when you need customization, that okay, you need your own model to understand your business and give you custom signals, custom decision, custom lot of different things, then you need customization. Otherwise, it won't be custom. It will give you gradual things, and I'm sure that you don't want that. And then the next session is data insight and visualization. So if you wanted to visualize your data, we can visualize millions of data to your specific needs. Like, okay, if you wanted to know customer, their buying decision making, if you wanted to influence them to buy things that you are doing, if you wanted to know which product and services they are spending more time on your page or on specific things on a specific location, and a lot of other things will turn up when you do customization. So data insights and visualization will kick in. Then customer service agent, as we are talking, that our customer service agent, we also have an agent here. So you can see our customer service agent, if you ask them a specific question, it will be able to give you that right answer. So we have that. As we say, we are trialing our avatar. So in the future, you will see that we have a customer service agent either in text form or either in avatar form. You will find them here. Then AI, IoT, and smart automation, that is mandatory nowadays. AI to understand your energy uses, AI to understand a lot of other things that you want to know, how your energy efficiency working, how you are reducing the carbon emission. What about your diet, and a lot of other things you can customize with IoT and smart automation. And AI powered security. So you know that there are different type of security. It could be, one is your business security when you're using internet or using internal cloud server or outside cloud server, or security as it is security, physical security, like, okay, or your office door, your office camera, or a lot of other things. They are engaged with your system. They know that if someone is coming, is there danger, and a lot of other things. So we do also object detection. So if someone is coming is trying to enter into your property, they have a sharp object or they have a something that we think that it is an arms or something like that, we can easily detect those to make you environment safe and secure. So we also can analyze people's emotion, like, okay, if they're happy, if they're sad, if they are aggressive, and a lot of other things you can do that. So AI can do lots of different things. And that point, you need to know what intended purpose you wanted to utilize AI to help you, to support you, to steer your growth to the next levels. Thank you everyone for joining today's live webinar. I'm Dr. Shah Siddiqui from Time Research and Innovation, 𝐄𝐯 Marketing Agency, and Tedbot AI. And we're going to be talking more about innovation, AI, and specifically how you can utilize AI for your business growth. And before I jump into this conversation, I just wanted to answer a few of the questions that I have here. I'm just going to select those questions. Okay, there's a good question from Zakir Khan. So you said, how do you see the role of AI support bots solving evolving over the next 5 years? It will evolve. It will evolve. I would say huge, super fast. That would be the right proposition to add. It will go super fast. If you're thinking AI, and if you're thinking that you need to embed customer service agent, is the right time for you to think about that. Why? As I'm predicting, and as a data scientist myself, AI engineer myself, what we think? We think that every businesses, every website, it will be an interactive medium for people to have experience and buy product and services. You know that we have um, um, different type of 3D system that we can see um, going inside of a film, going inside of some games, and we do 3D view, and we can use our hands to specifically select different things. Okay, so suppose in 5 years time or 10 years time, I don't know how fast it would be, because technology has to be very much cheap to go to massive customer, target customer. Suppose in 10 years time, everyone who will have a VR sets, majority of the people in the planet, they will have a VR sets. And it's already been started. Big companies, they have started. So they wanted to go to a shop. What they would do, they will just have a VR set, and VR set will have all their specification, how fat they are, what is their tone, which country they are from, if they're black, white, Asian, um, geographic location, all of the things the VR will capture. And based on that, they will create your avatar. So your avatar will be created. And what you do, you would go Marks and Spencer here. Okay, Marks and Spencer is a chain shop, store, superstore. You can buy all sorts of things there. So what you do, you would go to Marks and Spencer, you would go to different aisles, and you will trial different type of things in relation with buying food, in relation with um, buying jackets, textile, and apparel product, and a lot of other things. So what you do, you would to give a tour, and you will select specific things on your basket. You will pay, and then you will go out. And what Marks and Spencer will do, they will select those products for you, and they will pack it up and send it to you over courier service. It's already been happening. So the growth of your business will stuck if you do not add AI, think about AI right now. It's already so fast, and then it will grow more to get to the next, I would say, 10 years. Next 10 years, you will be amazed what AI can do in relation with technology, in relation with business growth, in relation with a lot of other things AI will capture. So if you do not think about AI right now, you can't think about them properly in 5 years' time or 10 years' time. You will be lag behind. All other companies, they will capture the market shares. So entering a market when it is relatively low competition is best. Entering a market when there is a big corporation, a big competition is not good. So those businesses, they are embedding AI to their workflow, to their day-to-day activities, to their business growth, website, applications, technology. They will be the front runner. And you will see there are lots of businesses are shutting down. It will happen. You have seen in the pandemic, lots of good, big businesses have shut it down. Why? Because they could not cope with the pandemic, with the growth of technology, with the growth of customer choices, with the growth of habits. So if you don't do it now, you have to face the consequences. And that is a true fact you have to accept. So thank you everyone for joining today's live webinar. I have a few more minutes as I'm going to be concluding today's session in 45 minutes rather than 1 hour, because I have another live session from 1 p.m. With Circle Network. I am part of Circle Network. If you do not know what is Circle Network, please search online. This is a business group. We prioritize friendship, and our slogan is friendships will business. So if you are interested to know about Circle Network, feel free to write Circle Network. You will find it. It's an international organization, and we have a Dubai session today. Someone asked me previously, one of my contacts, how do you know people from Dubai? I know people from Dubai from the Circle Network, because every week on Wednesday at 1 p.m., we have a Dubai Circle where all the people from Dubai and Middle East, they join, and we talk about individual things. You can, if you're a member, you can also talk to them, showcase you them, or be a spotlight speaker to talk about the problem you are solving. But we don't do any push sales. We just make friends, and based on friends, people will give you a reference, and that will fuel your business. So that's the way it works. So if you have, I will answer another questions because I have a few more minutes. Noreen, you have asked what type of cost saving can businesses realistically expect after deploying an AI support bot? That's a very good question, and I think I can go hours answering this question. When you have a AI bot on your websites, it will answer maybe 90% of your knowledge to the people. So if you are a marketing agency, you wanted to engage AI bot to your marketing agency, people will just, they will not go to different pages. I bet they will not go to any different pages. What they will do, they will ask the AI agent, okay, if they are looking for, if your marketing agency, they wanted to know what type of design do you do? Do you develop um, customized design, or do you do this? Do you do that? So when they get the answer, a link will be provided with the answer. So when the link is there, they will click that link and they will see. If they don't find anything, if your bot failed to provide the right answer, what it will do, it will give the to form that you can ask that answer to that person. So what it will does, it will streamline your growth and cost cutting, because when you have customer service person, you need to pay them, isn't it? You need to pay them regularly, like, okay, so talking to your customer initially, and then um, solve their problems. When you have you can cast your customer service physical people cost. Yes, that will eliminate some of the jobs, but here you to make money. So if you add customer service agent, you can eliminate one or two customer service physical agent that will be covered by the AI agent, and then it will streamline the process to tailored your specific needs to get your customer to talk to your physical agents, so they can call, it can do different things that you want. It's all customized what you wanted to do. That's the way it can reduce your cost, and as well as it will increase your productivity. It will increase your tariff, because people are going to be coming more and more to your website. Why? Because they will feel it easy, and they can get their answer in few seconds to make their choices. There is a cost involved to this. If you wanted to do business, if you have a physical person solving your customer's inquiry, or an AI person solving your customer inquiry, uh, either way, you need to make the necessary investment to streamline your work to the next levels. But AI can eliminate your cost um, dramatically lower than you usually spend. So thank you everyone for joining today's live webinar. I just wanted to finish today's conversation. If you wanted to reduce your cost with an AI-powered customer service agent and enhance your customer service, please feel free to contact us. Go to chatbotai.com website. You will find every information there. You can also try our chatbot over there. And if you think that, okay, you need an agent, feel free to contact us through our social channel and through chatbotai.com, and as well as any platform that we implement chatbot. We have a powered by button at the bottom. So anywhere you go, you will see chatbot powered by chatbot button. If you click there, it will take you our page, and there you can ask us any question. You can send us inquiry. You can see the pricing and plan all other things, and even we can give you a demo if you wanted to know how it will work and how it will reduce your cost and increase productivity and increase sales. Until my next live, I wanted to say you thank you and bye-bye for your engagement, and I will welcome you on my next episode of webinar. And you know that we have started live premiere for our ICP Cast webinars, podcast, not webinars, podcast. And you will see guests from around the world, C-level executives, CEOs, to talk about specifically their business, their growth, and a lot of other things. So stay tuned, support our work, check what we do, and refer us if you think someone will get benefited from our work. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.